Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can remove your texture pack for FiveM. The first thing that you want to do is to simply right click your FiveM. You could do this on your Windows logo, simply search for FiveM and then click the open file location or navigate through the desktop icon and then simply do the same thing. Inside this page, click the FiveM application data and navigate through this citizens folder. Basically, you want to look for this folder and you can simply right click on it and click on the delete button. After deleting this specific folder, FiveM will then go ahead and update itself, basically downloading the default texture pack, and from there it will then automatically all of the downloaded texture pack on your FiveM application data, removing the previously downloaded one. And so guys, those are the only steps in order to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.